Last day in Oregon and travel day. I'm gonna try and do a little hotel tour today. At the very least, I already did a tour of my room, but let's go have some breakfast and show you the hotel. I already have my camera equipment packed, so we're gonna do this all on my phone. Sorry guys, but this is the hotel right here, the Independence Hotel here in Independence, Oregon. I've stayed in pretty much every type of room this hotel offers, except for there's one that's like 6 people with bunk beds and everything if you have a large family. When we came here, we just utilized the 2 queen beds with the kids. In fact, that second window right there that's open, right there, that was our room last time we came here. And that's why I wanted to start here, because this place is so beautiful that every morning you sleep in a place like this, you wake up to this. Just waking up every morning to the Willamette River is beautiful in and of itself. You don't get this back in Arizona, let's be honest. All of our rivers are underground and only flow during monsoon season if we're lucky. And most people come here to the Independence in this area for either the vineyards, wineries, or business, but also for all the outdoor activity. Like right here, you have a spot to get your bikes all cleaned up and locked up, a free air pump. Like, they really do take into account all the people that are here for the outdoors activities. I mean, there's hiking, there's kayaking. That's why a lot of people come here. There's actually a dock right off the corner here. Although we've never had any of our Teslas up here, I would love the fact that they actually have EV charging. So a little bit longer charge time is not a big deal. Now we make our way through the front entrance, and the first thing you see is a bunch of handcrafted local items for sale in the hotel. Right after that, you're going to come around the corner here and see the nice little sitting area and lounge area right next to the breakfast and bar area. The bar area is really nice, really classy, and that breakfast is always full every morning. I love the fact they have a place for you to park your bikes and a place to grab a nice cold drink, always mixed with fruit, which is great. Sometimes you'll even find cupcakes right there. There's an indoor hot tub, which I think is great, guest laundry, and there's an exit out to the park. And this is my favorite thing, just like at Disneyland, a water bottle filler. So make sure you fill up before you head out. I know this seems silly, but one of my favorite things is there's always an elevator open waiting when you get here. Another cool thing is they actually have a rooftop area, which I don't believe is open right now, so we're not gonna head up there, but it overlooks the river and the entire valley. You oversee some vineyards and farmland. Like most hotels, each floor has their own ice machine and vending machine. The one thing I'll say about the ice machine, I've actually stayed here now 5 or 6 times, and 2 times I've been here, I've seen people doing maintenance on them, like upkeep, not fixing. So I think it's really cool that they keep them updated and cleaned like that all the time. Long, wide hallway, so no awkward crossings when you see people. And at this point here, we're gonna cut to my room tour I did when I first got here 4 days ago. Obviously, this is the front door, and we're gonna start off with the bathroom area. Hi, that's me. I love the huge walk-in shower that's here. Really nice, really well tiled, everything else. Listen to that echo. Big counter space, you got your hair dryer, you got a little table to put all your stuff on if need be. I love the fact you got a shelf with all of your towels, a little hanging rack, a big mirror so you can see how good the Trailblazers jersey looks. You know, if you're gonna be in Portland, you have to fit in. You get another little mirror to get ready. Everyone kind of knows what a latrine looks like, but if you don't, that is one. Another mirror, no shortage of mirrors in these rooms. But here's what I really like. So, like most hotels, you do have a microwave, your own Keurig, all the coffees, creamers, everything else you need. A actual little fridge, which is always really nice, with some complimentary bottles of water. I got the king size room because I'm just by myself on this trip. Really cool wooden headboard to make you feel like more outdoorsy, which we'll get to that in a second, why that's a big deal. I love having the bench here at the end to put your shoes on. Since I'll be editing some videos while I'm here, I love having the big work area with all the different USBs and outlets and everything. Decent sized TV, couple chairs for sitting, lamps on either side. You can't see right now, but it's actually a beautiful view. Over here where I'm pointing at, you can't really see, is the Willamette River. Here, let me turn off the lights and maybe I can show you a little bit better. Not much better, but yeah, I promise you over there's a really cool river. Well, that'll do it for the hotel tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was kind of brief. I actually have to hit the road here pretty soon, but I wanted to show you a little bit of the beautiful area around here. I mean, the hotel is bundled up next to these townhouses here. And this would be a beautiful view to wake up to every morning. But it's not our view. Now we're ready to go back on a plane and fly back home to our view back in Arizona. Oh, and don't be a monster. Pick up your room before you leave. These people work hard enough. And always be sure to tip your staff. Thanks for watching, and let's take another ride again soon. Bye-bye, everybody.